a Lexus action. We got some Camaro action. Ready to do some flybys for these guys?
Yeah.
They wanted to hear it before we put the headers on, man. We can't disappoint. I told him park on the red. He's literally parking the opposite direction. He just don't give a fuck. You want to see the headers? Pretty dope. What's up? Nah. The guys that do my bags, Rad Reds.
Yeah.
That's the most insane parking job, by the way. Yeah, it's already loud, holy shit. It's weird because it's a lot quieter from the inside, right? But on the outside, it's still just as loud.
Just as loud? Yeah.
How do you think it's gonna sound with the headers, bro?
Rowdy?
It might be kind of stupid.
Yeah.
We'll find out. We'll be doing this again soon here in what part of Mexico are we in again?
We're in TJ,
yeah. Not Jalisco, fool. All right, hopefully you guys like this shit. We're probably gonna rev in our next video one last time at the shop. But hopefully you like this shit since you asked for it. Next time it'll be a little louder.